Hello, good people. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome back to our channel, Adroit Architecture. This is your go-to place for architectural services, both residential and commercial. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you very much for watching this video. Another one of our favorite, best-selling 4-bedroom bungalow house plan is up today. We bring to you the arched 4-bedroom bungalow house plan. This design is a luxurious all-ensuite 4-bedroom bungalow, which is ideal for many Kenyan households who are seeking a spacious and graceful place to call home. The architectural design of this house plan incorporates spacious living spaces and spacious porches on all sides. Utility spaces are also well provided for. You have the option of having a garage in this house design. I would say that this house plan is a high-end design for a prime development. The beauty of this design is the well-balanced form with a picturesque entrance porch. You have attractive arches that adorn the entrance porch of this beautiful home. In this design, the bedrooms are located on either ends of the home. One end is fully dedicated to the master suite. The other 3 bedrooms are located on the other end. This makes it easy to keep your bedrooms private and well separated from your other living spaces. A large front porch with the arches brings you to the entrance hall of this home. At the entrance hall, you have your visitors' cloak room. I love the positioning of this cloak room. It makes it very accessible yet private, very easy for your visitors to get to. And if you have visitors that are coming from the outside, they can still use the cloak room without gaining access to the rest of the home. Up ahead, you have an extra spacious lounge with a central fireplace. Of course, this makes this house perfect for cold areas. From the lounge, you have some sliding doors that take you to the rear porch. The rear porch is also nice and spacious, providing you with extra space to entertain your guests and to hang out. Next to the lounge, you have a spacious dining area. Right up ahead from the dining area, you have a spacious kitchen. Between the dining area and the kitchen, you have a nice island. The kitchen has a walk-in pantry, and next to the pantry, you have a fully fitted laundry room. There is a door leading from the kitchen to the backyard. As I said earlier, one side of the house is fully dedicated to the master suite. The master bathroom is nice and spacious, featuring twin sinks and enough space for a bathtub as well as a shower cubicle. You also have a walk-in closet, but if you're not a fan of the walk-in closet, you could always transform this space into a private office. And of course, there's the master bedroom with doors leading to the side porch. On the extreme end, you have the other 3 bedrooms. All the bedrooms are ensuite, and each of these 3 bedrooms is large enough for 2 occupants. 2 of these bedrooms have doors that lead to the side porch. The plinth dimension of this house plan is 28 meters by 17 meters. With this footprint, this house plan is ideal for a quarter-acre piece of land, that is 100 by 100. The total area of this exquisite house plan is 273 square meters. The 273 square meters is inclusive of all the porches. For the Kenyan market, you need a budget of approximately 10 million to put up this house plan. As I always say, we use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good budget to work with, but as always, keep in mind a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction, including where you're located. and that is the arched 4-bedroom bungalow house plan, featuring 4 all-en-suite bedrooms and 1 visitor's cloak room. Thank you once again for joining me today. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. I'll see you in our next video.